I am beginning by the grace of Almighty Allah. I would like to.
Hello, 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 hello.
I am beginning by the grace of Almighty Allah. I would like to give a special thanks to the friends of dear opponent. Dear viewers and spectators, at the beginning of my speech, I would like to give my heartiest salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Honorable moderator, the first debater of the opposition has presented some logics in favor of the topic. Honorable judges, notice it. At first, we are confessing the fact that the teachers can make the student perfect educator. But we do not confess that only the teachers can make the student perfect educator. Dear opponent, perfect family, perfect parents, perfect conduct, perfect children, perfect man, perfect honor, perfect run, perfect learner. So these lines are the right saying, mold the life of a child as a learner. Then how can we confess only the teachers can make a student a perfect learner? Wise opposition. My friend, the first debater has said a wise saying. Teachers are the guardians of civilization. It's true fact. But who is a teacher? How many kinds of teachers? Question for you. Hope you will not be able to answer this question. There are two sorts of teachers. One is formal teachers and other is informal teachers. Formal teachers are those who teach in so-called school, college and university. They teach us how to read and write, some social principles and so on. On the other side, parents and family members are the informal teachers for a child. Honor to superiors, love to youngest, primary language are taught in the family. This is why family is called the primary school of a child. So dear opponent, how can we say that only the teachers make a student a perfect educator? How can we avoid the role of family, environment and situation in the life of a child? Life is a compound thing of formal and informal learning where family situation, environment along with the teachers play an important role in the life of a child for learning. So dear opposition, this is your fake idea that only the teachers can make a student perfect educator. A perfect educator is made really with the help of family guardians, educational environment as well as teachers. For this, we neglect the idea only the teachers can make a student perfect educator. This is not at least a true idea. The truth is not only the teachers but also the educational institution, family guardians, visual aids, mass media and real situation make a student perfect educator. Thanks to moderator, thanks to judges, thanks to viewers and audience. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you too. Actually, teacher is not out of the social structure, social institutions, family and other institutions. If we have everything such as school, college, university, but there is no teacher, we cannot run our institution with the help of teacher. Again, we have only teachers, but there is no school, college, university and other social institutions. The teacher cannot run the education system. So, this is a mind-blowing debate. Now, Humaira Islam is invited to give her speech here. From February team.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Teacher is a rider who rides the horse of knowledge. Teacher is a runner who runs in wisdom college. Teacher is a builder who builds a wise nation. Teacher is a maker who makes a nice ration. I'm beginning with the name of Almighty Allah. Today's topic is only the teachers can make a student a perfect educator. I have already chosen my debate position in favor of the topic. I would like to salam to everybody at the beginning of my debate. Respectable moderator, I have listened to my pre-debater with full attention. Her words are completely logicless. Here's a laughing stock. She has presented a cock and bull story. No matter. Come to the point, dear opponent. Now a question for you. Who is a teacher? Answer is very easy. A teacher is he who teaches school, college or university. Learning is continuous process. It begins from school and finishes in university, in which every student comes in contact to a teacher. Your father does not teach there. Your mother does not teach there. Your family members do not teach there. Generally, a child learns a way of life for living in society. This is not education. This is a kind of natural learning. Dear opposition, what is education? Who is a teacher? Where a child can get education. Certainly you know, still you are contrasting with us. If your family is your education center and you need no teachers, please go back to your home. Leave the school. Why are you coming here? Why are you moving behind the teachers? It proves that you need educational institution. You need teachers. So why are you contrasting in field of debate? Therefore, no way. Confess the truth. Only and only the teachers can make a student a perfect educator. In finishing of my debate, I would like to say that teacher is the best friend, learning provider. Teacher is the best guardian, nation builder. Thank you everybody. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you. Now, I am calling here to give our valuable speech, Azmi Islam from opposition.
Honorable moderator, thank you very much for giving me a chance to debate here. At the beginning of my debate, I remember Almighty Allah. Today's debating topic is only the teachers can make a student a perfect educator. Normally, I've taken my position against the topic. Dear opponent, the world is a complex web of compound things, and the world is a complex net of everything. So the word only is avoidable. Teacher is a factor to make a student a perfect educator, but only the teachers can make a student a perfect educator. It's an absolutely wrong idea, because without school, a teacher is valueless. Without college, a lecturer is valueless. Without university, a vice chancellor is valueless. So it is clear that if there is no school, then there is no teacher. If there is no college, there is no professor. And if there is no university, then there is no teacher also. So we can say, if there is no educational institutions, then there is no education. And if there is no education, then there is no teacher. For this, the term only is an avoidable word. So no debate, confess this truth. Only the teachers cannot make a student a perfect educator. Dear opposition, if you want to be a perfect educator, at first you need to study hard. Then you need conscious guardians. After that, you need to go to school. Then you need the help of teachers. But I'm asking you to stay here debating in favor of only teachers. Question for you: how can only the teacher make a student a perfect educator? Wasn't he primary teacher of Begum Rokeya? Answer. Wasn't he teacher of Socrates? Answer. Wasn't he teacher for Rabindranath Tagore primarily? Audience, answer. Again. So why are you saying this? Only the teacher can make a student a perfect educator. Probably because you have been mad. You should have been sent to public mental hospital for your special treatment. I cannot help but laugh. Dear opposition, if a child wants to be a perfect educator, at first it needs to send to school. After that, it needs to study hard. Then it needs the help of teachers. So you are living in the realm of your fake idea. This is why I want to say, you are wrong in telling, you are wrong in presenting, and you are wrong in debating. So no debate, confess this truth.
she has said some logical words in favor of the team. This is interesting, and I'm enjoying the debate actually. Now, MD Mukit from Faber team. Mukit is going to deliver his speech on the topic.
Hello. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I want to start my debate with name with Almighty Allah. God bless everybody. So long I was listening to my wise opposition and I would laugh. I already remember a Bangla famous advertisement that Jotoi chapachapi koro lav nai chai RFL viewer. Dear opponent, why are you abandoning the real fact? Why are you comparing other thing to a teacher? A teacher is only a man, thousand in a field in teaching and learning. There are no alternative to a teacher. Dear friends in opposition, my debater says something valuable against the topic. Bad first idea is not acceptable to me. She says Socrates, Begum Rokeya and Rabindranath Tagore, they don't have school, college, teacher, they learn from their parents and relatives and the nature. Those are excellent ideas to telling something for our nature. My dear friends in opposition, when you learn something from your mother, your mom is a teacher. When you learn something from your father, your dad is a teacher. When you learn something from the friend, your friend is a teacher. Even when you learn something from the nature is a teacher. So long, there is no alternative to a teacher. If you want to be great, you must need the help of a teacher. If you want to open your mind eyes, you need a teacher. If you want to be a doctor, you need a teacher. If you want to be an artist, you need a teacher. If you want to be a pilot, you need a teacher. If you want to be an engineer, you need a teacher. If you want to be a student, you need a teacher. Even if you want to be a teacher, even if you want to be a teacher, you must need a teacher. Dear opponent, please raise the truth. There is no alternative to a teacher. Only you are telling a corpus story. It is very bad. It is very sad. Your former speaker sent us to Patna Mental Hospital. Why? Why, dear opponent? Are you mad? No, we are not mad. You must go to a big mental hospital of London. So please cut off your cock and bull story and come to the main point. Only one voice that teachers can only make a student perfectly. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you. তোমাদের সাউন্ডে কি হয়েছে? আমার জোর দিয়ে কথা বলা লাগে কেন? এটা ভালো করে সাউন্ড দাও তো ভালো করে। হ্যালো হ্যালো। Thank you, dear viewers and spectators, and who are enjoying the debate among the two teams of this school. They are our affectionate students, and we are trying our best to make them as a global citizen. Then Inchana Zaman Joy from opposition. Inchana Zaman Joy.
No study, no learner. No practice, no culture. No hope, no dream. Self-study, full to the brim. Honorable moderator, honorable judges, dear audiences and viewers, and my beloved opponent. Naming of Almighty Allah, I'd like to give my salam to everybody. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today's debating topic is only the teachers can make a student a perfect educator. Actually, I am opposite debater of this topic. Dear opponent, the third debater of your team, Mr. Mukit, has said some lame logical words. I think he is a bold-headed man. He has presented some cock and bull story here. Mr. Mukit, reality and fake story is quite different. So long I have heard my wise opposition. Their debates are enjoyable, but they have taken some logic-based words like unwise. But they have taken some logic-based words like unwise. A question, dear opponent. How does a mother become a teacher? How does a father become a teacher? How does a friend become a teacher? Do you know the definition of a teacher? A teacher has to work in school, college, or university. But so-called father, mother and friend work at home and outside the home. So how do they become a teacher? I know there is no answer to you of this question, so don't say tall talk anymore. Come back to the real point. Everything has a system to run in society as well as in the state. My wise opposition. If you want to be a perfect educator, at first you need the help of government. Because government provides with all educational structures, education systems, even the government takes teacher in school, college or university. So to make a perfect educator, the government plays the most vital role. Then your family helps you by providing social, economical and educational support. Then here arises a question. How can a teacher make a student as the only man? It's not possible. It's impossible. It's quite impossible, dear opponent. So come on, my dear friends, realize the fact. To become a perfect educator, at first we need the help of government. Then we need family support. After that, we need the help of teachers. So you live in the wrong world of knowledge. Understand? Come on, my dear friends, mix with us, realize the truth, be conscious. Thank you, dear presidency. Thank you, my dear opponent.
Thank you, my affectionate student. Thank you, debater. Now, I'm calling to present her valuable speech in favor of the topic that only the teachers can make a student perfect learner or perfect educator. Now, team leader from favorite team, Maliha Tabachu.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A teacher is a person who helps others learn, especially in a school, college or university. Teacher helps students to develop their skills and knowledge to succeed in life. This is the definition of a teacher. That's not me. Now I'm telling the full form of a teacher. T, that is talent. E, that is educated. A means adorable. C means charming. H means helpful. E means encouraging. And R means responsible. The full form of a teacher proves that a teacher himself is a living volcano of learning. So, there is no alternative of a teacher to make a student perfect educator. Honorable moderator, honorable judges, my beloved viewers and audience, and my dear opposition, convey my salam. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honorable moderator, hearing my opposition, I remember a story. Now I am telling the story to my opponent. One day, a man rode on a horse with all his luggage and baggage. The horse was going to the destination, but the man was carrying the baggage on his head. A passerby was watching the rider. By laughing, the passerby said to the rider, "Hey rider, are you a fool? Why are you carrying the baggage on your head? You could put them on the back of the horse in front of you, but you have taken the load on your head. It's a matter of laughing. What a fool you are." Hearing the passerby, the horse rider said to him, "The horse cannot carry me. Then how will he carry the load? So I have taken the load on my head." "Don't you understand the simple matter?" said the horse rider. Dear opponent, who is really fool, the horse rider or the passerby? Certainly the horse rider. Wise opposition, now you are playing the role of the horse rider at this stage. Request to you, select right or wrong. Only a teacher can make a student perfect educator in this society. Believe it or not. If you don't trust it, I'll prove that only the teacher can make a student perfect educator in this society. Wise opposition, you have already uttered some bold words against me and my team. You really have shortness of knowledge. You should be sent to a wise scholar for enriching your knowledge. Wise opposition, you say the government, the educational institution, the educational environment, the family is needed to make a student perfect educator. We cannot avoid it. But what is the main element in the field of learning of a student? Surely a teacher. Look, dear opponent, Rabindranath Tagore did not go to school in his boyhood, but he had a tutor named Rajeshwar. That means he only had a home teacher, and one day this boy became a world famous poet. So I want to say to you, I need nothing, none, but a teacher. And so, take your family, give me a teacher. Take your school, give me a teacher. Take your college or university, give me a teacher. Take your education system, give me a teacher. Because anything in the world is not compared to a teacher. Dear opposition, you have family, school, college, nice education system, everything. Only you do not have teachers. Then how will you get the education? So, it is clear that you cannot become a learner without the help of teachers. Therefore, a teacher is the only man who can help you to become a learner. At last, I want to say to you, teacher makes us wise, teacher is a prize. Teacher gives us freedom, a teacher himself is a wisdom. Thank you, honorable moderator. Thank you, judges. Thank you, everyone. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Maliha Tabachum, and she was a leader of paper team. Now, I am going to invite to MD Atikur Rahman from opposition. Leader from opposition, Atikur Rahman. Atik.
No man, no society. No society, no liberty. No liberty, no education. No sincerity, no promotions. No states, no social structures. No systems, no teachers. The mentioned words prove that only the teachers cannot play a role to make a student a perfect learner. The most respectable moderator, honorable justices, honorable viewers and audience, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear opponent, salam to you. At first, I want to give you some logical word in favor of team. Hope you will be able to understand that only the teachers, but also the states, the social structures, the viewers and the institution and the societies, the families and some institutions play an important role in our students. So only the teachers can make our students a perfect educator is absolutely an avoidable sentence. Why not to my wise opposition? Why does a teacher teach? Answer in a school. Why does a lecturer give his lecture? Answer in a college. Then why does a professor give his teacher? Answer in university. Without those educational institutions, a teacher cannot play his role as a teacher. So how does only a teachers provide education for the students? This is the fact, dear opponent. You are telling talk in favor of teachers, and then answer my questions. If there is no school, why does a teacher teach? If there is no college, why does a teacher teach? If there is no university, why do the students get higher education? Now, your answer should be no way. You're right. My wise opposition, your team leader, has said some logical word in favor of teacher. She has also said she needs only teacher, she needs other things. Okay, I do not neglect you. Then come to the point, my opponent leader. Teacher can teach you. Can he give you a certificate? No, never. A teacher teaches in the school but cannot arrange a public exam. The public exam is arranged by the education board. That's not enough, dear opponent. The certificate are also given by the education board. So it's clear that education and learning system depend on some social structures like government take care, education office, education board, family and guardians. The logic proves that teachers play only a single role to make students a perfect learner. At first, we need the help of family, then we need some education institutions like school, college, university. After that, we need some education office like NCDB, National Curriculum and Textbook Board, Education Board. In short, we need the support of education system. In fact, I want to say, dear opponent, you need only teacher, you need not educational certificate, you need only teacher, you need not educational institutions like school, college, university, you need only teacher, you need not systemic support. Dear opponent, do you know by whom a teacher is appointing in a school? Answer is easy. A teacher is appointing by the government. So I want to say only a teacher is not enough to make a student a perfect educator. Students need everything that I have so said long to be a perfect learner. Thank you, honorable monitor. Thank you, honorable viewers and audience. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you too. Dear viewers and spectators, we have enjoyed mind-blowing debate among the students of our institutions. Now I am watching a teacher from Chunakhali Secondary School, Mr. Japur Ahmed, my dear colleague and my dear friend. I wanna say something to you about the assessment of the debate in English. Cordless mic ta sir ke dao. Oi je Japur sir. Oi খুঁটির কাছে।
Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Abu Jafar, senior teacher of English Chunakhali Secondary School. I have just come here only 20 minutes ago, but I am really happy to attend this function. I have here two teams debate. Debating point is only teacher can make the students perfect learner or educator. I think both teams have done well. They have tried their level best to speak in front of the audience. But there is a question. I think only teachers cannot make the students a perfect student or learner or educator. I want to give an example here. Suppose you can take a horse to the water, but you cannot make it drink if the horse does not drink water. Teacher can teach the students in the classroom. Teacher can teach some good qualities. Then students can apply this quality in their real life situation, and they can build automatically from the nature. So another team in favor of this group, they have tried their level best to present the debate. Teacher only in this world, nature itself, world itself is also teacher, friend, brother. They can give you mass instruction, but they can make you a perfect learner. So if you want to be a perfect learner, you need to go to a teacher. That is true. I believe it. But our debate is.
You are requested to finish, my dear colleague.
Okay, sir, I want to finish here. I am actually happy. Both teams have done well, and you have arranged a nice debating point, real life situation point. Allah Hafiz, thank you.
I would like to say something. Robiul sir, the head teacher of Purbo Chaura Gopt Primary School and leader Bangladesh Primary Association, Amtuli Upojela. Sir, আপনি বাংলায় বলেন সংক্ষেপে।
ধন্যবাদ আমার প্রিয় সুলতান মাহমুদ স্যারকে। আসলে তো আমরা যে ডিবেটটা দেখলাম, আমি সত্যি অভিভূত, এবং তারা একেবারে জড়তাবিহীন এবং সুন্দর উপস্থাপন করেছেন, এবং এর সাথে আমাদের শ্রদ্ধেয় সুলতান মাহমুদ স্যার তো জড়িত, কারণ তার তত্ত্বাবধানেই তো আমার এত সুন্দর একটা ডিবেট দেখতে পেলাম। এজন্য তাকেও আমার পক্ষ থেকে ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। এবং এই সোনামণিরা যারা এই ডিবেটে অংশগ্রহণ করেছে, তাদের উদ্দেশ্যে আমার একটা কথা, তোমরা যে আজকে ইংলিশে ডিবেটে অংশগ্রহণ করলা, এই যে তোমাদের যে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ, এটা ভাষা, এটা তোমাকে ধরে রাখতে হবে। এই যে শুরু করলা, এই শুরুটা যেন তোমাদের মধ্যে থাকে, এটা যেন শেষ না হয়ে যায়। শুধু এই বিতর্কের মধ্যেই যেন এখানে সমাপ্তি না ঘটে। আমি আহ্বান জানাবো তোমরা এটাকে ধরে রাখবে, এবং তাহলে তোমাদের ভবিষ্যৎ জীবনে এটা তোমাদের একটা উত্তরোত্তর সমৃদ্ধি বয়ে আনবে, এই প্রত্যাশা রাখি। ধন্যবাদ সকলকে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Now I would like to request an honorable guardian and presenter of today's function and father of Maliha Tabassum from Favorite, Nasir Mahmood sir, say something in short. Now then I will declare who is the greatest debater today.
Hello. Good morning. Thank you, everybody. At first, I like to say thanks, honorable moderator, then both the participants. This always helps the student to develop their skill. Always help the student to develop their performance. This also makes the student to add the globally. It will reach their destination. If you continue this system, our student will be made a best citizen in Bangladesh. They will reach the Bangladesh in the target. They will reach the Bangladesh in their destination. Not only that, if we want to say, if our dear child want to reach the higher education, they must meet English. English is really part and parcel of the life. So, in this situation, our students always make their listening, speaking, always develop. If it's not possible to do our students in this situation, only the education system is not ready to prosper their life. If you want to achieve their life, we have to have sustainable. We have to have such activities. If we want to make the sustainable Bangladesh, then we have to have such like of activities. So, thanks again, our head teacher, our honorable teacher, and to help to make us like the David. Thank you, everybody. See you again. We want to continue our next session. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, my best friend, my best colleague, honorable teacher, Mr. Nasir Mahmood. We have an enjoyable debate so long. Now I am going to declare who is the best debater of this function. Who is best debater? Guess. Can you guess who is the best debater? Can you guess who is the best debater? I think who is the best debater? Will I say? Will I declare? Maliha Tabassum from Favorite, Maliha Tabassum. But everybody has said and presented their valuable speech, their valuable debate, and it was enjoyable. Everybody have done well. Everybody has done well. And I like everybody of you. And you have said some logical words, some logical sentences. You have also said some logical sentences, some logical words, and that was Maliha Tabassum is selected for his cold speech and the way of delivering her speech. And at the sight of the judges, she has got most of the numbers, more numbers than you. So she is declared as a best debater today. Thank you, dear viewers and spectators, dear audience, honorable teachers, honorable judges, honorable guardians. Allah Hafiz. নাসির মাহমুদ স্যার আমাদের মাঝে যারা অতিথি এসেছেন আপনি একটু দেখে তাদের কথা ঘোষণা করেন। আমাদের কবির ভাই এসেছেন, তারপরে
জি কাউসার স্যার,
বিপি মামুন ভাই এসেছেন, দেলোয়ার স্যার এসেছেন,
একটু দেখে বলে দিবেন।
সুধীবৃন্দ, আমাদের মাঝে এইমাত্র উপস্থিত হয়েছেন
থ্যাংক ইউ।
আমতলী উপজেলা বিএনপি ভারপ্রাপ্ত আহ্বায়ক জনাব জহুরুল ইসলাম মামুন ভাই, সাবেক ভিপি। আমাদের মাঝে উপস্থিত হয়েছেন জনাব
আমতলীর ঐতিহ্যবাহী স্কুলের উপস্থিত ছাত্রছাত্রী এবং অভিভাবকবৃন্দ, শিক্ষক মন্ডলী, সাংবাদিকবৃন্দ, আপনাদের সবাইকে আমি আমার ব্যক্তিগত পক্ষ থেকে এবং দলের পক্ষ থেকে সংগ্রামী শুভেচ্ছা, সংগ্রামী অভিনন্দন। ভাইরা আমার, এই এমই স্কুলের পাশেই এলে আমার বাসা। আমি এই প্রতিষ্ঠানটাই রাজনীতি মুক্ত রাখতে যে কদিন বেঁচে আছি, কোনো রাজনীতি আগে ঘুম থেকে উঠলেই শুনতাম কি মানে ওরা কি একটা গান, মানে আওয়ামী লীগের সব হলে আওয়ামী লীগ। আমি এই প্রতিষ্ঠান আওয়ামী লীগ মুক্ত চাই, রাজনৈতিক মুক্ত চাই। সে প্রতিষ্ঠানের শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠানের মতো চলবে, লেখাপড়া চলবে, খেলাধুলা চলবে।
বাবুল ভাই, আপনি ড্রেসগুলো নামানোর ব্যবস্থা করেন।
ভাই, আপনাদের আমি আহ্বান জানাই, আপনারা আগামী দিনে যাতে এই প্রতিষ্ঠান সুন্দরভাবে যারা শিক্ষক মন্ডলী আছে তারা পরিচালিত হয়। আমরা উপজেলা বিএনপি পৌরী সার্বিক সহযোগিতা আপনাদের করব, এই আশাবাদ ব্যক্ত রেখে সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ দিয়ে আমার বক্তব্য শেষ করি। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
সম্মানিত সুধী, এরপরে নৃত্য পরবর্তী আকর্ষণ রয়েছে আমার নিজেরই লিখিত রচনা পরিচালনায় একটি নাটক জেনজি ও বর্তমান সমাজ। আমার মনে হয় এটা খুব উপভোগ্য হবে, আপনারা না দেখে যাবেন না। ধন্যবাদ।
সুধীবৃন্দ, আমরা একটি মানি ব্যাগ পেয়েছি, একটি বাটন ফোন পেয়েছি এবং এক সেট চাবি পেয়েছি। যাদের হারিয়ে গেছে দয়া করে এখানে যোগাযোগ করবেন। একটি মানি ব্যাগ, একটি বাটন ফোন এবং একটি চাবি পাওয়া গেছে।